Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we have the Lederhosen Oktoberfest costume set for men, the perfect outfit for your next Oktoberfest celebration. Let's dive in. This costume embraces the true spirit of Oktoberfest with its traditional Lederhosen. A pullover shirt with a lace-up collar, knee socks, and a matching Bavarian hat. It ensures an authentic Bavarian look that will make you stand out at any beer garden party. Crafted from durable and machine-washable fabric, this costume is made to withstand wear and tear, providing long-lasting enjoyment for multiple Oktoberfest celebrations. The convenient pull-on closure and range of sizes offer a comfortable and secure fit, ensuring effortless dressing for all partygoers. This costume set includes all the essential elements for a complete Oktoberfest look, including Lederhosen with attached suspenders, a white shirt, knee socks, and a Bavarian hat. You can easily create a cohesive and stylish outfit that will have you yodeling and dancing the night away. In conclusion, the Lederhosen Oktoberfest costume set for men is the best Oktober festival costume available in the market. With its authentic design, high-quality materials, and complete ensemble, this costume is a must-have for any Oktoberfest celebration. Get yours today and get ready to party in style. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. See you next time.